So in the last video we made a pause menu, and in this video we will finish it. So without wasting any time, let's get on with the video called Simple UI Finishing the Pause Menu. So in the previous video our pause menu was working great, but our game was actually not pausing. To fix that we have to literally stop time. To stop time we have to write time.timescale is equal to 0. What time.timescale does is basically manipulates time. So I have a new scene here where there is a player with a simple player script. And the thing you need to focus on in this script is this function right here. What we have done here is that if I press Q, then the time will be half, that means it will be slower. When I press E, the time will literally stop because time.timescale is 0. And when I press R, time will be normal. Let's play this in Unity. Now I'm moving the player, and when I press Q, time is half, as you can see. And when I press R, time is set to normal again. And now when I press E, time stops. And that is what we'll do. Now back in UI Manager code, in our pause menu on function, we'll write time.timescale is equal to 0 because we want to pause the game. So whenever we press the escape key, time will stop. And then in our pause menu off function, write time.timescale is equal to 1. So whenever we click the resume button, time will start again. Now in Unity, when we play the game, you can see that time stops when you press escape key and time starts again when we press the resume button. Now let's start up our quit button. In the UI Manager script, let's make a function called quitGameFunction. And inside this function, write application.quit and write debug.log game is quit. Now in Unity, we cannot quit the game because it's a game editor, but when you export this game and play, and when you hit the quit button, it will actually quit. But for now, it will just print the game is quit. Now in resume and quit button, let's just change the normal highlighted and press color. But before, let me tell you what these are. So in this new scene, we have a button and have different color in the normal, highlighted, pressed and selected sections, which is green, dark pink, light pink and red. So when I play this game, you can see that it is green when you do nothing and turns into dark pink when I hover my mouse over it. Then turns into light pink when I am pressing on it, and then turns into red when I have left it, which indicates that it has been selected. So these are the functions of those normal, highlighted, pressed and selected. Now in our resume button, let's change the highlighted and pressed color into the color that we want. I want mine to be different shades of orange. Do the same to the quit as well, and now we have a fully working pause menu. Now this is the end of this video. I am trying to make small and bite-sized videos which has higher quality rather than quantity. So if you like this kind of videos, then a subscription would be really great. Thank you for watching.